Welcome back to Guest Master.
Find the odd one out. Christmas edition. Are you ready for the challenge? If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Identify the one that doesn't belong. Yes, that's the one. Pick the one that's different. You've got it! Which one stands out as the odd one? That's correct. Well done. Spot the item that doesn't fit. Bingo! That's it. Choose the one that's out of place. Absolutely, this is the answer. What doesn't match in this group? Nailed it, that's the right one. Locate the odd one in the list. Correct, this is the one. Which is the mismatched one? That's right, you found it. Find the item that's unlike the others. Exactly, here it is. Can you spot the oddity? Spot on, that's the answer. Which one is the anomaly? Perfect, this is the correct one. Identify the one that's not like the rest. Right on, you've got the answer. Identify the one that's not like the rest. There you have it. Highlight the one that's different. That's the correct choice. Which one is unique here? Bullseye, that's it! Pick the odd one in this set. Yes, you've discovered it. What stands out as the different one? You're spot on, this is it. Which one doesn't belong here? Here it is, well done. Choose the item that doesn't align. That's the one we're looking for. Find the exception in the group. You found it, great job. Locate the one that's out of the ordinary. Which one is the exception? Can you figure out the one that doesn't fit? Select the one that's not like the others. Point out the unusual one. What's the outlier here? Choose the item that's different from the rest. Which item breaks the pattern? Spot the one that doesn't match. Spot the one that's out of sync. Which one doesn't go with the others? Locate the odd member of this set. Which one seems out of place here? Find the inconsistency in this group. Which one doesn't follow the rule? Select the one that stands apart. Can you tell which one is different? Identify the irregular one. Which one deviates from the rest? Which one deviates from the rest? Find the misfit in the group. Thanks for watching. Watch this quiz to take your new challenge. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.